Okay, first and foremost, I was instructed by an associate of mine to pretty much provide a disclaimer. This video is strictly for entertainment purposes only or experimental. I am no way responsible for anything that you may have going on. Or, yeah, you get the point. So basically, I'm about to show you how to remove the ink from the paper and how it looks while it dries. One of my subscribers specifically asked for me to do it. Okay, what we got? This is a legit title. See the name on it. What I'm about to do, so I got this baking pan, aluminum, disposable, reusable, whatever you want to call pan, and I got my favorite acetone. Mosquitoes everywhere, man. What I do is I pour it directly onto it. You can let it soak, man. You don't have to use so much, but I always do. Alright, so as you see, trying to get it to where you can see it. You know what, how about this? See, it's already faded, and I haven't even touched it. See that? Slowly fading. But anyway, you get the point. It will fade until there's no more ink or barely visible. Like I said, I came up with this because one time I was selling a Grand Prix, and the girl signed the back of the title on the spot, but then changed her mind. And I was like, man, you put me in a tight spot because I buy and sell. So normally when I buy a car, I don't normally put it in my name, you know, because it takes too long. It takes like a week max to get the title back in the mail. I mean, week minimum. 45 days max. Alright. As you see, it almost completely faded. What I use to scrub, I use this Scotch or microfiber, or for precision, I use a Q-tip. Anything to scrub, basically, man. You don't want to scrub until you scrub a hole in it or kind of deface it. This ink has been on this paper since July 15th, 2016. This title is to like a Jeep Cherokee I bought in 2016. But it was running hot, so I didn't keep it. I had to junk it. That's why I still got the title. Yeah, that's pretty much all faded. Show you what I'm doing. Back and forth, back and forth. gone. No ink. Lines are still there. Print name, buyer, sellers, all still there. Didn't harm anything on the front. Alright. He wanted to see how it would look once it dries. It doesn't take acetone no time to dry. It's starting to dry already. It's crazy, you can still see the indentation in the paper from the pen pressure, but the ink is gone. That's all indentation that you see. You can pretty much write over this and it'll be legal. Of course, we all know it's illegal to forge or alter a legal document, and a title is actually a legal document. Defacing, forging, falsifying information, or falsifying the title. It's illegal. But say if it's your title and it was signed wrong, yeah, you can get the ink off. I don't know the codes and statutes, but like I said, I'm not responsible for anything that you may have going on, but I do it to where I'm safe, and that's the reason I started doing it. Well, man, I hope the video helped you out. Comment, subscribe, or any suggestions, or if you need help with anything, just let me know. I'll get it out there for you.